How to verify your Bidget account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how we can verify our Bidget account. So if you are also looking forward on how we can verify our Bidget account, these are the processes we follow up and you should also be able to verify your Bidget account. So in order to verify your Bidget account, first of all go and launch your Bidget app. And once you have successfully launched it and logged in into your account, you will be seeing the dashboard of the Bidget. So in order to verify your account, you can head over and tap on this verify on your page if you have not completed the verification. Otherwise, you can go over to the left corner of your screen and you will be finding your user ID here. You can go ahead here and then look out for the identity verification here, which is right under the username. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you're here, in order to verify yourself, what are the requirements? So the requirements are government issued documents, like any kind of documents that verifies that is you. After that, face recognition verification and estimated review time 60 minutes. So just go ahead and tap on this verify option right here. And Bidget will ask you permissions to record and take videos. Give the permissions and allow it to access your photo and media as well. So first of all, you need to give up your identity verification. Just go ahead and select your country and a reason of residue. Just go ahead and do that. And after you have successfully selected your country, you're going to select the issuing country. Like where are you issuing your particular Bidget account in? And select your ID type. There are different verification process, like your ID card, your citizenship identity card. Otherwise, you can use up a passport as well and your driving license. After you've selected that, on the second method, you're gonna verify yourself by showing up your face. Just go and follow up the on-screen prompts in order to verify your face, and after that is done, your account should be verified. So that is it. These are the processes you may follow up, which is super easy in order to verify yourself in Bidget account. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.